this tutorial that I'm going to show you today. And basically, I want to show you for those of you who have been thinking or been wondering how to convert their Facebook profile to a Facebook page. In case maybe and this may happen for various reasons. Perhaps you have 1,000 and you have 5,000 friends, and now the Facebook cannot allow you again to add other friends because you have reached a limit, a Facebook limit of friends. So perhaps basically there may be many reasons you want to do that, and if you are thinking of or you want to move and create change your profile to a page, this is what you can do basically on your computer. You could go and open a whatever browser you can use. You can use Edge or you can use Microsoft. We have others like Firefox, but in my case, I will use with Chrome. So I will just open Chrome. That's by double clicking. So in my Chrome tab, first thing is to go and log into Facebook. That's mean www.facebook.com. You could say here in my case. Then you click enter. You could wait for Facebook to load up for a while and give it a couple of times. That's depending on network, and some may be faster, but in my case here it's a little bit slower. So once you are in Facebook, you can see already I'm already logged in, but in case you are not logged in my case you could see I'm logged in, but for many cases perhaps you are not logged in. So basically what you can do is for those like if you are not logged in, uh, that's like perhaps you are not logged in, you want to log into your Facebook account. So if you are not logged in, you could go ahead and perhaps you log out and you start to log in. So once you log in, you'll find yourself in the home page like this, something like this. So now you can see this is my Facebook profile. And you could say this is my Facebook profile, and I would like to convert this Facebook profile to a page. And there's so many things that have changed. Like when you can see now, you can see I have over 5,000 friends. As you can see now, I have like around 5,000 friends, and I could no longer add more friends. And I want to create a Facebook page that's meant from this one to something like a page. So what I'm basically going to do, I will go to this place here, which is written my account in the last option, and you could go and click it, something like that, and you come to settings. And in the setting, you go again to this place written settings. Uh, so once you are there, you are going to be in your general profile settings. You could go ahead and click that one as if you want to change your name. And then in this place of change your name, do not click change your name. What you have to do basically, go ahead and click learn more. So so in this place of whereby you are told to learn more, you could go down and then you just come up to this place written. If you are having trouble with filling it, this one requires a name change. Just go ahead and say fill out this form. As you can see, I've done. And then here you will be in this page whereby if you wanted to put new names that you want to represent yourself apart from the one which you had on that place, you could put it this and the names that are going to appear on your page. However, if you are good with the name which you have previously, you can go ahead and come here down here. You could see in this place that is written here down here, choose a file or upload a file. And down here, you will see something written, convert your page, something written here, convert this account to a page. You just gonna go ahead and click convert this account into a page. And once you are there, you will be likely, so what you will do in this case now, since Facebook has changed, but I believe with so many things you can be helped. With like before, you could go ahead in this place here, which is saying copy link, you could go ahead and say get started. But right now you cannot click it. So you find yourself that you are like kind of stranded, but you should not worry about that. What you're gonna do in this case, you're gonna click this one, copy it. You're gonna click what is written here, copy link. Then you're gonna say click any of the link above, say like or follow page. Just click any of them. Then from this place written here, was this page helpful? You could go ahead and say yes. And then in this place here, because since now we could not access, as you can see in this the case above here, we could not access our page or do anything apart from there. We could not go ahead. So what you're going to do, you are going to go ahead here and say, hey Facebook team or hello Facebook team, and write something like, I would like to change my Facebook profile to a page, but I am not able to, not able to. And you could go ahead to say, can you please help me change the page? Can you help me change my profile to a page? Let me change my profile to a page, please. You could write something like, thank you in advance. Thank you in advance. Then you can go ahead here and put the link of your Facebook profile. So you could put the link of your Facebook profile. That's like, you can come here. If you don't know how to get it, you'll just get it probably here. This is the link to your Facebook profile. You just click it. You could say something like this. You can copy paste it. Then you copy Control plus C. Then you come here and you paste it Control plus V. Or another way you could do it is by going like this, Control, right click it, then you click paste. So in my case here, you could say this is the link to my page, and then you click submit. You will then have to wait for maybe a day or for 24 hours, and you will be helped out. In this case, if this one does not work, let me know. Okay, thank you.